How to log into Wells Fargo Online banking account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Wells Fargo login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, www.wellsfargo.com. Open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, at the top right, you're going to see the option of sign on. Click on that option. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. Provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your name. Then type in the password. If you want to save your username, check in for this option. In the case you have forgotten the username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you provide the details, click on sign on, and just for that, you'll be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Wells Fargo online banking account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.